Good afternoon, Anderson's class. 6.2 attributes, which is like characteristics, like things about 2D shapes and their parts. So we're going to talk about things that we can use to describe 2D shapes. 2D shapes are flat shapes, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you identify and define 2D shapes and their parts?
Yes.
So like if you have a 2D shape like this one right here, we know that it is a closed shape because there's no openings in it, right? Like the most definition ever. This shape actually has an, so it's called a, now polygon would be a closed two-dimensional shape that has a lot of different lines connected together, right?
Yes.
Okay. A concave polygon is a polygon that has a what in it?
Yes.
Or a cave-in? Concave, cave-in, yes. A convex polygon doesn't have a dent, but it has something that sticks out, or it's just a regular old polygon. It doesn't have really anything like caved in or sticking out. Parallel means that the lines will never intersect. Acute means the angle is less than. Obtuse means an angle is. A right angle means it has what measurement? 90 degrees. Regular polygon has all the same side lengths, right? And it has all the same, well, it doesn't have to be right. It can just be angle measurements, right? So like this one, these aren't necessarily right angles, but the congruent markers, remember that name? Are telling me that all the angles are the same, right? And then these side congruent markers, the ones that are on the sides, tell me that all the sides are the same, yes? You guys cool with all that? Congruent means the same. Irregular polygon, not all the sides and angles are the same, yes? This is a trapezoid? There's the definition. I'm not going to do that. Rhombus, there's the definition of a rhombus. Parallelogram, there's the definition of a parallelogram. What are these things called? They're not congruent markers. They're parallel. Parallel markers are the little arrow ones, like that, yes? So is this side and this side parallel? Is this side and this side parallel?
Yes.
All right. If something has 6 sides, what kind of shape is it?
Hexagon.
What does hex mean?
6.
If something has this many sides, what's it called?
Decagon.
What's dec mean?
10.
So the prefix of the name of the polygon tells you how many sides it has, right?
Yes.
By the way, what does gon mean?
Sides.
Sides. Polygon means what's poly mean?
Many.
Poly means many and gon means,
Sides.
so all of these are polygons because they all have many sides, right?
Yes.
And then if you were naming attributes or characteristics of a shape, all of these things describe that shape, don't they? Is it closed? Is it closed?
Yes.
Is it caved in?
Yes.
Does it have 5 sides like a pentagon?
Yes.
Is it a polygon?
Yes.
Are the side lengths and the angles different?
Yes.
So it's an irregular polygon, right?
Yes.
You guys cool with all this?